Hi everyone, today in 41 here I've got my larch forest in. It needs some work doing on the forest floor and a good pruning. It's grown quite well this year. This will be its first cut this year. I'll have to stop there and come back the other way. It hasn't grown as much on this side because it's a bit shaded where it's laid the big privet, so it hasn't put as much extensions on as the rest of the forest planting, which has really saved us a bit pruning on this side. It only needs a little bit. Oh, wrong way. Go back that way. Go back to the front. So there is a bit to come off it. So what we'll do is we'll get the floor done first, then we'll prune it up. So I hope you stick around till the end. The main thing, I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get going. The first thing I want to do is just remove all the weeds. Why? Most of the weeds. I'll be on to Christmas if I'm pulling all these out with a pair of tweezers. It's going to take a while. Get your hands in these ones. The soil's nice and dry, even though I've only watered it last night. We've got some warm temperatures here at the minute. So what I'll do is I'll just skip past this bit, then we'll come back to the pruning. So should we try the old? No, didn't work. While I was cleaning the forest floor, I found some vine wavell. I don't know if you can see them in there. So what I'll be doing is, once I've finished pruning up this forest, I'll be treating with vine wavell killer. I'll be doing the trees with that. Frighten the life out of us. The little buggers. We can see holes in where the roots is, that's where they've been tunnelling. So we'll get that tret as soon as we finish pruning. So I'm going to start the pruning on this lower branch. As you can see, this is going straight down, so I want to take it off. I'll be cutting back to where there's buds and try not to cut the needles because they'll just yellow off. Any needles going down, I'm just going to plug away. So try not to get the needles, but it's hard work. I love working on my larches in the winter when it drops all the needles. You can get a better look at the structure and where to cut nicely. I want to take this one off right at the stump. Plug them couple of needles. So we have our first part about done there. I'll work on these two trees and I'll come up the tree. That one, lose that all together. It was coming across the trunk. So I took that one off. House Scout, alright son. I love working on larch. one of my 5 favourite trees. So I've been greedy now, I said 5. As you can see, the pods are starting to develop as we're coming up. I'm trying to keep a bit conical shaped to the tree. That's going too far into the back, that one. This is a bit longer than what we need. I want to take that off there. And them off there. Well, if we look at this pod, we've got them growing backwards and everywhere. Take that off altogether. The big old. I took that off because it's going straight up. I might as well get rid of it. Kind of old clump on the end of this. Oh, I'll take that out of there. Take this long one off the top. Clean it out a bit. So we've got 1, 2, 3. I want to take the middle one out. Pull them needles off. Then I'm going to shorten these back with some buds. And that off. What I'll do is I'll speed this bit up, get a few of these trees done, because I'm going to run out of things to see her. Not that I've said much. So, So I have these 2 trees on the right hand side done now. What I'll do is I'll get these back few done, then we'll come back and we'll have a look at the left hand side. As you can see, it's starting to take shape on this right hand side. I love this little forest group. It's one of my favourites. Starting to get nice developments of pads in the apexes. A little bit more on this one. The front one's not bad. This little back one's not bad. So I'm just going to keep pruning, coming round. As I say, I'm only cutting back a pair of buds where I want my pad to end, and anything growing down is just coming off. So when we're pruning, we're just trying to create some sort of dome pad for now. Hope I didn't say you little thing. So here comes the music again. I hope you're enjoying it. I think I've done that arse end backwards. I should have put something over a cup of the floor because I'm doing it twice now. Being knackered if it was a short tray. It's my own fault. But as you can see, the pruning's done now. Just put a bit shade back into the forest. I want to clean the pot, then I want to get it on the bench, and we're going to treat it for the vine weevil. So you know the drill. One last thing now before it goes back out. Up there. Get that branch. So we're just going to give it a nice little clean. I wonder if I've got any red stones left. I don't know. Have a look later on for them. This is just a cheap Chinese pot. Damaged. We'll give it a quick dry off in the oil. So I just wondered if I've got any stones now just to do the redress the path. I haven't getting all these needles off. been a pain in my ass. As I was brushing the needles off, I took most of the stones off, so I need to redress the issue with the path. So, I'll see if I've got any stones. I found a bit of lava rock. I think it might be just enough to do this. The larch group's looking a lot better for its haircut. It's clean up. I put some new fertiliser on, the narco slow release. So that's what that is, it's not stones or anything. Well, I'm quite happy with the way it turns out, this larch group. It gets better and better every year. The main thing I want to do now is treat it for that vine weevil. Because what they do is they burrow it into the soil and they eat your roots. So I need to get that done as soon as it goes on the bench. That's another tree down. A few to go. By the time I'm getting along the main bench to the English oak, the English elm and the privet's put new growth on, so I need to go back and do them again. I might just do them quickly so I can continue down the benches. Okay, so if you've been with us here from the beginning, appreciate you stopping and watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'll help the channel out a bit. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks!